Holy crap. Did it just desolder itself? I think it's desoldering itself. One end of the coil goes to the antenna connector jumps to the diode. The diode is our audio path, and this comes out to the headphone. One of these days I'm going to fix the squeaky chair on the screen. So if you want one of this rev, it's available to ship now. Oh yeah, can't do that here. Can't do that here. Gotta do that in the other part. Boy, I've got that heatsink hot. Like hot. Like feeling hot. I mean, this is not going to be a showstopper that stops me from developing this. If I got to deal with a line of garbage for this badass capability, I'll deal with a line of garbage. And the microcontroller trainer is a learning environment, experimentation environment, development environment. You come up with what you want to call it. Oh, that's hilarious. Hey everybody, it's Josh with Project Blue Smoke Monster. So, I got something really cool we're going to play with. I don't usually do 2 streams in a night. I was streaming earlier working on my laser cutter and 3D printing and some 3D modeling, stuff like that. But I got to digging into something that I've been hearing people talking about, and it kind of like rocked my world. And I've got to share it with you guys. I just can't. I've got to share this. So, this is something called ChatGPT. Have you guys heard about this yet? Check this out. Let's jump over here. And we're gonna be a complete nerd on this. Where is it? I'm looking for the right layout here. This will be fine. Okay. So this is written by the guys and gals over at OpenAI. ChatGPT, they're calling it the research release. So go to openai.com. Up here at the top, click try. You'll need to create an account and log in, which I've already done. But this is a chat artificial intelligence that can do amazing things. People are using it to help them write code, and I'm a little skeptical. I'll be honest. My Google foo is pretty good, and I can find answers to things that I'm looking for and would like to do, but I want to see what this thing is really about, right? So let's put it to the test. Let's see what it can do, and let's push the envelope a little bit. So, ChatGPT. So I've signed up. I've logged in. I'm going to just ask a question. I would like to build a website. Is this something you can help me with? I can certainly provide information and guidance on building a website. Cool. It talks about languages. It talks about using languages versus website builders like Wix and Squarespace. That's cool. Can you help me build a website with HTML and CSS? Yes, I can certainly help you build a website, okay? It defines HTML. That's awesome. It defines CSS. That's pretty cool. To start building a website with HTML and CSS, you need to use a text editor to create an HTML and CSS file. Okay, cool. Look at that. It's giving us some basic HTML structure. That's kind of neat. Welcome to my website. So this is pretty lock, stock, and barrel HTML. But it's kind of walking you through what each thing does. Look at that. Linking to the style sheet. That's awesome. This is just like generating this on the fly and walking me right through it. I'm not doing any of the work here. Oh my God. All right, we're gonna have some fun with this and see what we can do. Thanks for the help. Can you help me by generating a sample HTML website for a, let's think of what we want to do here. How about this? How about a dating service? Celebrity dating service. Let's see what it can do here. Sure, I can help you generate sample HTML. Okay, so it's going to create some HTML. Here it goes. This is neat. About, services, members, contact. Okay. I like this. So I happen to have Visual Studio Code up and running. We're going to launch into VS Code here in a minute. Oh my God. This is amazing. Our service, personalized matchmaking, background checks, private photo sharing, discreet, confidential. Oh my God. Join our network of celebrities, models, and high-profile individuals looking for love. What in the hell? Oh, this is going to be great. We're going to build this thing. I want to see how deep this rabbit hole goes. I've used 5 minutes ago. I did a quick little chat with this, and it really had me interested. And it brought me here and made me want to do this stream. So you're going to be seeing these things, a lot of these things for the first time, with me for the first time. Let me know if you have any further questions. So let's do this. Let's copy the code it took. I've got VS Code open, and we've got our index.html. Let's save that. Let's jump back to it. Thanks for the HTML code. Can you share with me some CSS in a purple theme to go along with the HTML code? Let's see how smart this thing really is. So I specifically asked it for a purple theme. Oh my God, it's doing it. So while it's generating that, let's look at the HTML that it generated here. I think it's stuck on my desktop, ChatGPT website, index. Open it with Chrome. Okay, celebrity dating service. So yeah, really, really standard basic website. Welcome to Celebrity Dating Service, the premier dating agency for the rich and famous. Our exclusive network of celebrities, models, and other high-profile individuals is looking for that special someone to share their life with. Okay, so we had it generate some CSS. Let's go back to that. Is that just another tab? Yeah. So it's doing it. It did that. Let's grab that CSS. Let's drop it into code in our style CSS file, and we'll look and see if it's created anything in it. It hasn't got anything up here in the header to do it, so let's ask it for that. You can add it. Okay. Can you show me how to add the how to reference the CSS you just generated in my HTML file? Sure, to reference this code. Oh my God, it's writing code for me. Head, title, link. Okay, that's what we're looking for, that line right there. Link. Whoops. It's telling me all about it. It's explaining how it all works. Copy. Jump over here. Up in head. Boom, paste. Save. Back to the browser. Let's reload this thing. Okay, didn't do anything. Let's see. Style.css. Okay. Let's make sure I saved all my files and everything. Style CSS. Oh my God. Oh my God. It freaking did it. That is sweet. Oh my God. Look at that. I didn't do any of this. All right, let's push it further. That's great. Instead of purple, can you show me an example of a rainbow colored CSS for my HTML? This should be interesting. Sure. Here's how you could create a rainbow colored theme for your website. Oh my God. This is pretty freaking sweet, guys. I'm not even playing. This is really neat. We are going to see just how deep this rabbit hole goes. Nav links. Oh my God. This could save you so much time. And once we're done going down this programming rabbit hole, I might see what other kind of rabbit holes, or web development rabbit hole anyway, see what other kind of things it can tell us and how deep it can go. I might even see how old of knowledge it has and quiz it on some ancient historical stuff. But this is just freaking amazing. If you guys are watching, jump into chat and let me know. I'd like to hear what you think. Have you played with OpenAI's ChatGPT yet? What have you learned about it? What problems have you run into? Tell me what you're doing. This is just an example. Let me know what I got. Copy code. Okay, let's do this. We're going to overwrite all that CSS with the new CSS. Save. Jump out here. Reload the site. Holy, oh my God. This is priceless. Wow. I am seriously digging this. Now, it doesn't necessarily have the same sense of style that I would, but this is just straight up sweet. Okay. What more can we make this thing do? All right. Thanks for the response. I would like to store member data in a MySQL database. Can you recommend the table structure for a MySQL database for my celebrity dating website? Okay, sure. Here's an example of a table structure for a MySQL database that can store member data. Okay, so we've got a field of ID, first name, last name, email, okay, password, status, a bio, that's cool, image, role, created at, updated at, okay. Well, that looks like a reasonable table. Let's let it give us some example or some explanations here for the example table that it created. I wonder if it can write the code for us. Oh, network error. Well, that's interesting. I haven't seen that before. Regenerate response. I'm not sure what happened there. Okay, well, let's ask it something different. Can you show me in MySQL code how to create that table? Okay. Oh, here's MySQL code you can use to create the members table based on the table structure I provided earlier. So it's create table. Okay, so it's got the SQL code. This is cool. Seriously, I'm digging this. You can execute it in the command line or in a tool such as phpMyAdmin, of course. Oh, wow. That's cool. Okay, so it's capable of doing that. Let's do this. Thanks. Can you recommend some sample data? Let's not ask it to recommend. Can you generate some sample data using famous celebrities for my database? Okay. Let's see who it picks. Brad Pitt. Okay. Angelina Jolie. Well, yeah, big surprise there. Leonardo DiCaprio. All right. Excellent. Beyonce. Okay. Robert Downey Jr. All right. Please note these are just examples. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, let's push it harder. Can you give me more examples using only celebrities who are dead? Well, this will be funny. Sure. Okay. John Lennon. All right. English singer, songwriter, and peace activist Princess Diana. Elvis Presley. Michael Jackson. Oh my God. I'm losing it, guys. This is hilarious. Marilyn Monroe. Wow. Only for 5. Okay. Let's see. Can you show me... Let's be nice to it. Thanks. Can you show me data for 20 more deceased celebrities? Did I spell it all right? Yes. Let's see if we can do that. 20 more. Okay, let's see who picks. Let's see if it differentiates in it. Okay, Albert Einstein. So these are new. Martin Luther King Jr., wonderful. Steve Jobs, yeah. Princess Grace of Monaco. This is great. So I want to see 20 examples. Really, Audrey Hepburn. It just stopped. Why did it stop? I'm not sure what happened. It stopped. Okay. Well, that's the thing. I'm not going to freak out that it stopped. But, holy wow. All right. Let's see if we can push this a little farther. Thanks. Can you generate a table? This is going to be really naughty. To track the degrees of separation from Kevin Bacon for each of the celebrities we discussed earlier. Oh my God. Okay. Degrees of separation is the table name. ID, celebrity ID, distance, primary key foreign. Okay. Oh my God. This thing is seriously blowing my mind right now. Okay, let's see the sample data here. Okay, Angelina Jolie is 1, Leonardo DiCaprio is 1, Beyonce is 5. Those can't be real numbers. John Lennon, Robert Downey Jr., Princess Diana. Okay, this is freaking amazing, guys. Wow. Just wow. This is so fast. So I'm noticing here, from time to time, its responses are getting cut off. I'm not sure what that's about. Maybe that's a problem on my end. I really don't know. But this is just ridiculously amazing. Okay. Wow. That's amazing. I mean, it's telling you distance, the distance of separation. This is the number of films or projects the celebrity and Kevin Bacon have worked together. It's doing all this for me. All right, let's thank sysadmin. Thanks for that data. Can you show me how to create a cron job, a Linux cron job to back up my MySQL database? This should be interesting. Okay, sure. Here's an example of how you'd create a cron job. All right, cron tab edit. That's right on the money. It's MySQL dump doing its thing, running a backup. Oh, that's fantastic. That's just fantastic. Backup file will be stored here. It's educating you. It's telling you the things that you want to know. So it's not just like little code snippets. I mean, this thing's really talking through it. All right, let's try this. Can you give me advice on how to get Brad Pitt to sign up for my celebrity dating website? This should be entertaining. Okay, here's the first no. Unfortunately, I am an AI language model, and I don't have the ability to contact or influence real people, including Brad Pitt. Okay, this is cool though. The best way to get celebrities to sign up for your website is to reach out to them through their public relations or management teams. So it's giving me advice on how to do the thing that it said it couldn't tell me how to do. Can you tell me how to contact the management team for Brad Pitt? Okay, this is kind of it. Okay, so it doesn't know that. The best way. Okay, it's giving tips. It doesn't have all the answers, but it is giving some suggestions. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Oh my gosh. This content may violate our content policy. I'm not sure what that's all about, but that's kind of cool. Okay, cool. So I am really impressed so far with ChatGPT and what it's been able to do. Let's think about some other things it could do. Can you help me write a Python script to... What do I want a script to do? Oh, I don't know. What do I want a Python script to do? Count to 10. Sure, here's a simple Python script that counts from 1 to 10. Okay. Yeah, that's legit. So it shows you the for loop. It also shows you a while loop. That's pretty cool. Okay, how about, can you show me a Python script that will calculate pi to 10 decimal places? Okay, okay, yes. The 11 formula for pi. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is off the charts, people. This is straight off the charts. I don't even know what to say. I can think of a million things to use this for. I'm going to try some more of them right here. Okay, there it again, it stopped. So something's causing it to stop giving me the complete responses. But this is beta, so maybe I'm pushing it too hard. Okay. What is the value of pi to 20 decimal places? Well, that was cool. 3.141592653 blah, blah, blah. Okay, can it give it to me? Can you give me pi to 200 decimal places? Oh, no, no way. No way. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is just ridiculous. Okay, I'm going to start throwing some quizzical stuff at this thing. I want to know just how good it is. I am thoroughly impressed so far. Okay, have you ever heard of a Commodore 64? Yes, I have heard of it. Okay. This could do research for you. This is impressive. Like, off the wall impressive, guys. Wow. I can't believe we've been playing with this for half an hour. 28 minutes in. That's amazing. Let's see. Can you share with me a list of commands available in Commodore 64 Basic? Oh my god. This thing knows everything. Print, input, let, if then, for next, okay. Oh my god. We're going to really have to quiz this thing. We're going to have to work it hard now. I'm going to jump into the weeds. This is amazing. I'm going to start keeping this open. This could help me do my job. Okay, there it stalled again. So maybe there's some rate limiting or throttling or something going on. Okay. Let's see here. What's something I can do? Can you tell me how to low level, I'm going to reach way back to the cobwebs, low level format an MFM hard drive on a Winchester controller? That's getting kind of, oh wow. Okay. This is absolutely right. That is wild. So it's not just giving you answers, but it's truly educating you. Can you help me generate HTML code for a website that describes how to low-level format a hard drive, an MFM hard drive using a Western Digital controller? Now we're really oh my God, no way. No way. No way. If it throws the command in here, I'm going to have a mind blown. Holy moly. So it actually doesn't know the answer, which I'm fine with, but it's doing exactly what I told it. Wow. I mean, it's making paragraphs and headers. It's doing all kinds of really neat stuff there. That was really cool. Again, it doesn't look complete. It kind of stopped, but it did pretty much what I was asking it to do. All right. Let's change gears for a minute. And rather than going down the technology direction, let's see what else we can make this do. Thanks. I've decided not to build a website. Can you help me with something related to music? Oh, okay. Where can I buy a vintage Gibson Les Paul for less than $3,000? Oh wow, finding a vintage Gibson Les Paul for less than $3,000 can be a bit challenging. Oh my goodness, online marketplaces such as eBay and Reverb. Okay. Wow. This is really sweet. Wow, that's awesome. Can you tell me how to identify a fake Gibson Les Paul? Here are a few tips. Check the serial number, look at the logo, inspect the construction. Oh my God, this is really cool. Can you tell me what deceased, we'll go back to celebrities, played a Gibson Les Paul? Let's make it harder. Let's make it harder. Let's say a left-handed Gibson Les Paul. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here's a list of some deceased celebrities who have been known to play a left-handed Gibson Les Paul. Jimi Hendrix. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know that guy. Randy Rhoads. Yep. Sid Barrett. This is really, really amazing. Just, I don't know. I'm at a complete loss for words. Let's take it back to technology. Can you generate MySQL code to insert this list of people into my celebrity dating database? Oh my God. It still remembers this. It still remembers we were talking about celebrity dating. I'm just, I don't even know what to say, guys. This is just freaking amazing. I've never used anything quite like it. Okay, now I really want to go down the rabbit hole. Let's see. Can you show me an example of... What do I want an example of? Can you show me an example of a... Not a website. Can you show me an example of how to draw a Les Paul guitar in Inkscape? Okay, it knows what Inkscape is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Open Inkscape. Start drawing it using a tool. Draw the body. Draw the neck. Create the frets and fingerboard. Holy Moses! Wow. It's actually, it knows the answers. Okay, I'm going to take this dark a little bit here. Can you tell me how the world will end? Okay, so it can't tell me how the world will end. Can you tell me if we are the first round of humanity of advanced, technologically advanced people on civilizations on Earth? Let's fix spell check. Boom, go. Oh, this will be interesting. Okay. So it's quoting common knowledge. Okay. Can you give me some examples of, what would they call it? Conspiracy theories surrounding former advanced civilizations on Earth. Let's spell check, fix theories. Boom, go. I'm super impressed. There are many conspiracy theories surrounding it. Okay, the ancient astronauts. Okay, cool. Atlantis. This could help you do research for a school project. Hollow Earth theory. I love Hollow Earth theory. Ancient nuclear war theory. Okay, this is enough to convince me this thing is the real deal. I am pushing this harder than it has ever been pushed by me. That's fair, right? Oh, where are we at? We're at 39 minutes. I'm going to take this out to an hour. I want to see what we can do in an hour with OpenAI's ChatGPT. Okay, that was really cool. Can you show me, I don't know if it can give me links. Can you show me a map to the entrance for Hollow Earth at the North Pole? Entrance. Spell check. Fix. I want to make sure I'm spelling things right. Enter. Okay, so it knows it's conspiracy theory. It says it's been debunked. Okay, so it's got nothing there. I could probably get it to share a link if I asked about conspiracy theories, though. Okay. What other kind of knowledge might this have? Can you help me brew beer? Sure, okay. Sanitizing your equipment. Mashing. Boiling. Oh, this is great. Okay, I know what I want to ask it. Can you share with me a recipe for a dank pale ale? Spell check, fix things. I had a brew out in Redlands, California last year. There was a dank pale ale. It tasted amazing. Oh my goodness. 10 pounds of pale malt, 1 pound of caramel malt. Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous. This is just absolutely ridiculous. I'm going to ask it a bunch of other random questions and then we'll wrap this up. But we got 20 minutes to play. I want to do a good hour on this. Instructions. This is wild, guys. I mean, it's like its knowledge knows no limits. I want to know, is it reaching out and doing searches and parsing and doing this all in real time? Or does it already have this knowledge and it's just able to index it? That's cool. Okay. What would happen? Let me ask you a different question. Can you share a similar recipe but in a low carb version? We're getting to where it's really got to think now. Oh my God, no, really? It has made the distinction between one and the other. Wow. Yeah. I'm speechless. This is going to be open on my desk for everything. Forever. So we've talked about software development, and building websites, and SQL, and CSS, and a little bit of science, and celebrities, and beer brewing, and conspiracy theories. What else can we do here? Okay, I like this. How about, I'm looking around me. I'm trying to get inspiration from things around me. Can you help me find a repair schematic for a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 that is having a transmission problem? Not the best question, but let's see what it comes up with. Okay, I do not have access to proprietary information. Contact your dealership. Online forums. Is it going to list some? Okay, no, it didn't. I thought it would be cool if it would list some forums. All right. What else can we ask this thing? Let's see. Can you help me select the best 3D printer? Okay. It's talking about factors in choosing a printer. Print quality, print volume, print speed, I know what to ask it. Can you give me a list of recommended 3D printer filaments made from PETG? Okay, good. Let's do that. Okay. eSun, yeah, I dig it. Hatchbox, yeah. Prusament, oh man, wow. Inland, yep. This is really, really impressive. And it's just doing this on the fly. Okay. Can you generate a recommended MySQL table structure to store the information presented above about 3D printer filaments? Okay, sure. Sure we can. Brand, name, material, select PETG, ABS, PLA, TPU, nylon, nice. This is smart, guys. This is really doing some cool stuff. I'm going to put this to work. Okay, so the industry I work in, I work for a VAR as a pre-sales engineer, solution architect, supporting technology solutions. Some of the things I work with include phone systems. So let me ask some questions surrounding my day job. Are you familiar with the technology surrounding IVRs? Question mark. Yes, okay. Interactive voice response, yeah. Allows customers to interact with the computerized system through touch-tone keypad or speech recognition, yep. Text-to-speech. ASR, yep. IVR application server. This is cool. I'm gonna definitely go down this rabbit hole a little bit. Can you help generate a sample IVR menu structure for a car dealership? Oh my goodness. No way. Main menu. Press 1 for sales, 2 for service, 3 for parts, 4 for general information. Oh my God. This is blowing my mind. Absolutely blowing my mind. It's like it knows the industry. Wow. Just wow. All right, I want to try this again. Can you show me a similar example for a nuclear waste disposal company? Oh my goodness. This could be fun. Main menu. Nuclear waste disposal services, emergency services, facility information, scheduling, types of nuclear waste, regulations and compliance. Oh my God. This is insane, but I love it. I absolutely love it. Just an example. Okay, let's try one more. Can you show me an example of an IVR menu for a... Let's think something healthcare related. Mental health treatment hospital. This could be healthcare related. What's it know? Services, emergency services, facility scheduling. Yep, that's all pretty standard. Types of mental health treatments, insurance and payment options, support groups, medication. This is cool. Emergency admissions and hotline response team. This is really, really cool. Okay. I wonder if this thing can generate code for AWS, like Lambda functions. Can you help me write a Python script for an AWS Lambda function to search a database for the let's be specific. Search a DynamoDB database for the data, spell it right, for the information contained above. This will be really neat. Yes, I can. Here's an example of a Python script that for AWS that searches a DynamoDB. It's exactly right. Lambda handler. This is legit, guys. Uses the Bodo 3 library. That's exactly how we do it. That's wild. So 10 more minutes, right? I told you we'd play with this for an hour. So we've got 10 more minutes to go playing with ChatGPT to see what it can do. Okay. Can you give me, we're going to go completely away from technology right now. Can you give me recommendations on Instant Pot food recipes that are compatible with my keto diet? Okay. Chicken thighs, yeah. Pork tenderloin. This is this is just ridiculously wild. Beef stew. Oh, yummy. That sounds good. Onion, garlic, and mushrooms with green beans or asparagus. Now I'm getting hungry. Egg bites, yeah. Wow. This is wow. I just don't even know what to say. All right, what about finance? What are the predictions for Bitcoin in 2023? As of my knowledge, cut off in 2021. Okay, so it doesn't have an opinion because it thinks its knowledge is dated. How about this? What are popular predictions for Bitcoin in 20 years? They're speculative, yeah. Some examples believe it could reach 500,000. Others believe it could drop to nothing. Okay. Can you write a Python script to search for the private keys of Bitcoin wallets randomly? There we go. No, I'm sorry. Generated randomly. Yep. So it's got some ethics. Well, yeah, right there. It's not only illegal, but unethical. It's considered to be a form of theft. Okay, so our AI has ethics. That's insane. Okay. Let's see. I don't want to ask anything too controversial here. What do we got? We've got about 7 minutes left in our experiment. We've talked about Bitcoin, 3D printing, technology, SQL, websites. Can you tell me how many private pilots are currently active, licensed? Let's do that. In the United States. 600,000. Out of which 250,000 hold a private pilot's license. So then I'm going to ask it, what percentage of the U.S. population is 600,000 people? 331 million. It's going to do the math for us. 0.18%. So hey, I'm in a small club. 0.18% of the total population in North America, in the United States, here in North America, is a private pilot, and I am a pilot. How do you know somebody's a pilot? Just wait, they'll tell you. All right, that's cool. Let's see, what else can we ask it? What is the best fishing spot in Ohio? In Columbus. Let's go there. Ohio. To catch catfish. Okay. The Olentangy River, Scioto River, Alum Creek Reservoir. Okay. This is not bad information. Let's see. Can you show me a backpacking map for Wildcat Hollow in Ohio? Wildcat Hollow Trail in Ohio. I can't type well tonight. I'm sorry. I don't have the ability to show you a physical map. Okay, but it may be able to tell me where to go for one. It's describing the backpacking trail. Tells you where to go. Can you share a link for a map to the Wildcat Hollow Backpack Trail in Ohio? So I'm going to ask it the question slightly different way. I don't have a specific link. Okay. So it's drawing a line in the sand, which is fine. Looks like we've got about 3 minutes left. We need one more good question. What can we ask ChatGPT that might be useful for us? Thinking about it. Do you have any secrets? It's not going to like the word secrets. For eternal youth. I'm sure it's got nothing. Yeah, nothing. It talks about aging. However, it's important to note none of these methods have been proven to stop or reverse the aging process. Okay. That's fine. Consult with a healthcare professional, of course. Okay. What would happen if you did a water fast for 30 days? There's another one. Okay, nice. This is great for research. It's talking about, I bet it gets into ketosis. Yeah, right there, ketosis. I watched a thing on Netflix the other night, or maybe it was on YouTube, one or the other, about a guy that did a big, long duration water fast. So that's kind of fresh in my mind. This is really neat. I gotta tell you, this is just really neat. It talks about it, not recommended, so it's got all of its caveats. Good. We have time for one more question before our hour of playing with ChatGPT wraps up. Is it possible to make $1 million in a month counting cards? Cards, there we go, boom. Too many requests in 1 hour. Try again later. So that's a great way to wrap this up. Apparently there's some rate limiting going on here. That's fine. We've had a lot of fun. And I have learned a tremendous amount. Just looking at the code samples that this was able to share with me. In fact, let's kick back over so I can look at the camera. Looking at the code samples this was able to share with me, the questions it was able to ask or answer that I asked, and just all the stuff this was able to do, this is really cool. This is a game changer, everybody. I want you to go out to openai.com, sign up for the trial of the beta of this feature, this ChatGPT, and throw some questions at it. Let's work this thing. Let's help them evolve this model. This tool can turn into something useful for all of us. I really appreciate you taking the time tonight to ride along with me. My name's Josh. This is Project Blue Smoke Monster. I hope you catch us next time. We'll see you later. Thanks, guys. Holy crap. Did it just desolder itself? I think it's desoldering itself. One end of the coil goes to the antenna connector, jumps to the diode. The diode is our audio path, and this comes out to the headphone. One of these days I want to fix the squeaky chair on the screen. So if you want one of this rev, it's available to ship now. Oh yeah, can't do that here. Can't do that here. Gotta do that in the other part. Boy, I've got that heatsink hot. Like hot. Like feeling hot. I mean, this is not going to be a showstopper that stops me from developing this. If I got to deal with line of garbage for this badass capability, I'll deal with line of garbage. And the microcontroller trainer is a learning environment, experimentation environment, development environment. You come up with what you want to call it.